What happened, buddy?
I've always been picked on in school because I can't write with this hand because my fingers, they're all twisted up like a pretzel. I have one good hand, but it's not like that hand. This hand, I can't use it. I can't use it because it's broken, kind of. It's broken. It has to be fixed. It has to be fixed. See, I can move it, but they're still bent and messed up. I can't really itch my face either because my wrist. You see my wrist on the side, it gets all disjointed like that, and then it starts to curve. And see the bone on the side, it hurts a little when I do that. I have to wipe my brow, so I have to sometimes I use this hand, yeah. Because this one, see, it gets longer sometimes. My bones they're like rubber, sometimes like this. So I have an itch here. And then my wrist gets fat like that, and I don't know how to fix it. But